Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss some questions of today's worksheet, that is 27 my worksheet. So here question number 14 is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi by 2, and you have to prove that xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. So what I will do, first I will pick this equation. From that I have to prove this. So in this equation, first I will shift tan inverse z on the another side. That becomes pi by 2 minus tan inverse z. And here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, I apply the formula like tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. And this is pi by 2 minus tan inverse z as it is. Now what I will do, I shift this tan on this side. So what will be left? X plus y 1 minus xy is equal to tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse z. Okay, then tan 90 minus theta gives me cot theta. So now I change this into cot form. So that is cot, and that is tan inverse z. Now I want to cancel this cot, so this tan inverse I will change to cot inverse x to cancel this one. So I go with the right angle triangle here. So if tan inverse z is equal to theta, so this is perpendicular and this is base, so that is z upon 1. And if you go for the hypotenuse, so if you directly want to write cot inverse, so you no need to find the hypotenuse because that is a reciprocal of this one. Okay, so cot inverse will be 1 by z. So that is cot inverse will be base upon perpendicular, that is 1 by z. That is opposite to that. Now x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Now next step is cot is cancelled with cot inverse x. So only 1 by z is left. X plus y, now I cross multiply this also, 1 minus xy by z, because this is cancelled and this is left. Now I again cross multiply, xz plus yz is equal to 1 minus xy. Now xz plus yz plus xy is equal to 1. So that I want to prove same in my question. So here one more question of your exercise. So that is your 11th question. So this is 4 cot inverse 3 plus cosecant inverse root 5 is equal to pi. That you want to prove it here. So first I will try to convert this cosecant inverse into tan inverse, because cot inverse I can easily convert into the tan inverse. That becomes tan inverse 1 by 3. Now cosecant inverse root 5 is equal to sine inverse 1 by root 5. Cosecant inverse changes to sine inverse. Now sine inverse equivalent to tan inverse 1 by root 5, that is x upon 1 minus x square root. So after solving I get tan inverse 1 by 2. Now I replace this cosecant root 5 as tan inverse 1 by 2. Cot inverse 3 is tan inverse 1 by 3. Now I apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. After calculation I get tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is exactly equal to pi by 4, and 4 into pi by 4 give me. Question is your 15th question. This is cos inverse plus sine inverse x by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Okay, here I have to find the x value. Here I am not going to prove, I have to find the x value. For finding the x value, so I shift the all terms 1 by 1 on the another side. First I try to shift cos inverse on this side. So this is left, sine inverse x by 2 is equal to pi by 6 minus cos inverse x. Now when sine shift on another side, so that is sine pi by 6 minus cos inverse x. Now look at this, two different values is there. That means I have to apply here sine a minus b formula, because there is a no proper form. If it is pi and pi by 2, I can make it round off, but it is different term. So I go with sine a minus b formula is like that is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So I'm going to apply this formula here in place of sine pi by x minus cos inverse x. So this give me, first in place of A there is pi by 6. So that is sine pi by 6, and cos, in place of B there is cos inverse x minus cos pi by 6 and sine cos inverse x. So I just replace B with cos inverse x and E with pi by 6. Now I apply the value sine pi by 6, that is sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Cos inverse is cancelled. Only x is left it here. Then cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Now here this cos inverse I change into sine inverse. So if we go with the right angle triangle again here, so here it is cos inverse is based upon hypotenuse. So that gives me 1 minus x square root. That means if I want to convert into sine inverse x, so that becomes sine inverse 1 minus x square. So that is sine inverse 1 minus x square root, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equivalent to cos inverse x in conversion property. Now here sine inverse is cancelled. What is left? This is x by 2 minus root 3 by 2, sine inverse is cancelled, 1 minus x square root is left. Now if I move this on this side and x by 2 on this side, this x by 2 is cancelled on both sides. So what is left if I check that? So only root 3 by 2 1 minus x square root is equal to 0 is left. Now I try to find the x value from here. So root 3 by 2 also merge up into 0. So only 1. What is left? 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Then x square is equal to 1. Then x is equal to plus minus 1. Root of 1 is 1. So I got the two value of x, minus 1 and 1. Condition is that whenever there is a condition, you have to find the x value. So you can manage if trigonometric term on the one side, you shift one trigonometric term on the another side, then inverse also. One by one shift all trigonometry on the other side, then try to find the x value. Try to cancel this inverse function, whatever trigonometric term is there, and you have to find the x value further. Your worksheet, that is tan inverse x minus 2 by x minus 4 plus tan inverse x plus 2 by x plus 4 is equal to pi by 4. Here you also have to find the x value. So first I merge up this tan inverse by applying tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. In place of x there is x minus 2 by x minus 4, and in place of y there is x plus 2 by x plus 4. So when I take the LCM, so that is x minus 2 into x plus 4, x plus 2 into x minus 4, and denominator is same in both the numerator and denominator fractions. So that gives me x square minus 16, this is x square minus 4. So after calculating, I got 2x square minus 16 and denominator is minus 12. When tan shift on another side, tan pi by 4 changes to 1. After cross multiply, my last equation will be 2x square minus 16 is equal to minus 12, and when I got the x square value, that is 2, and x is plus minus root 2. So that is my required